come Boroland in attack. Joe squares it to the right. The captain with a cross in. There are two approaching players. This might be the fastest goal of this edition of the Durand. And Boroland have the lead. The fans can celebrate already.
What a wonderful. They had the possession in the half, right? Like we were talking about, that they have to make their chances count right in the first minute. What a hell they have broken loose over here.
Kishori has the pace. Oh, it's a giveaway almost. This can be BSF's moment. Is this the first goal of their tournament, of their campaign? And it is. BSF are back in it. And such a gift awarded by Boroland. Their fans won't be happy at all. Boroland's chance to get back the lead. Chuangla from the spot makes the goalkeeper go one side. Perfectly done. Look at that penalty again. It just deceives the keeper. Just that eye contact, just that movement of the foot. And a wonderful clinical penalty. And Mamocha can make their fans happier. They're trying this idea time and again. Pilsen floating in. The keeper has got a touch, but it wasn't enough. It was not enough. And the substitute, Narzari, has increased the lead for Boroland.
Perfect header over there. Though it was blinded, nevertheless hit the target. It's great football over here, interest of the people.
Oh, the flag has stayed down, it seems. And BSF out of nowhere, fooling the defense of Boroland, has got another to their name. Talk about goal difference. BSF are not letting them go away easy. It is Kishori again, the hard-working man of front for BSF.
Kishori makes his mark, gets onto the ball. The first touch is good. His balance is kept well, and he slots it home. Fantastic there, and that's worth a try. The great dominance there from the first half, and also in the second half. Slowly they've allowed BSF to really control this game on the counters. Every time.
Oh, a shot from distance! What a screamer! Chuangla Brahma. We have talked about this Durand, having seen special goals.
On the turn, great left footer. Look at that. His balance, his turning, his perfectness, his vision, absolutely brilliant.
Oh, but is there a miracle on the cards? Maybe a late one. Looking for the option. BSF, the substitutes combining. This is not over, Henry. This is not over here at the SAI Stadium. BSF have taken advantage of that one man extra. And they have pulled another back, 4-3. This is a goal fest of 7 goals right now. And it is the substitute, Muhammad Asif Khan from the right, who gets the goal in.